Today's recipe is a Dijon glazed ham steak. To do that, you would need half a pound of smoked ham, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and maple syrup, plus your vinegar. You need to start with the glaze. So that's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon of Dijon. You can use more. I'm currently obsessed with Dijon mustard. And then the maple syrup. You add in about 1 teaspoon of vinegar to the mixture and then whisk it all together till it is combined. Melt unsalted butter into your skillet and then add the smoked ham to it and then turn it after the other part is browned sufficiently, and then you begin the glazing process. Put the mixture over one side of the ham thoroughly. Make sure every nook and crevice is covered in the glaze, and then you turn it. Repeat the process on both sides till all the glazed mixture is done. And then after about 15 to 20 minutes of turning and glazing and turning and glazing, there you have this sweet, amazing Dijon glazed ham steak. These are the stuff dreams are made of. You can use this for your salads, for your sandwiches, and even just on your rice. It is so good.